So it's been a wonderful visit here in Vancouver. I went out for dinner. We were here, of course, 3 hours ahead of time before the flight. I don't understand the 3 hour thing. You know, definitely 2 hours I get, but the whole 3 hour. So didn't film as much as I'd like to when I was out here, but we were quite busy. Hopefully what I filmed turned out. You'll see, or you're seeing right now. And headed home for security A. So we made it through security pretty much all right. They did give me a hard time about my beef, which I was warned about on YouTube. So I've been doing the carnivorous diet for about 7-8 months now. So I obviously bring my own food. I don't know why you wouldn't with the prices in the airport. We'll be parting on A20 at 9:15. Of course, it's only about 6:30, so we have quite a long time to wait with all these people. Holy moly, there's a lot of people going to Vancouver, folks. Yeah. And everybody's luggage is waiting for the plane. Everybody's waiting for the plane. Alright, we're gonna go find a nice cozy spot. We can get a little bit of privacy and maybe sleep for a little bit.
Your carry-on items, including purses and laptops, are placed underneath the seat in front of you or in the overhead bin above. Ensure that personal electronic devices are now in airplane mode for the duration has been completed. If your electronic device falls in your seat, do not.
Thank you. I realize why my camera shakes so much, not necessarily because of my hand, but because I walk so much faster than everybody. I have a deep strut, baby. I went the wrong way again. It's like a maze to get out. Whoa. Baggage, ground transport, train to city. Ooh, train to city. Alright, off to the train. So yeah, literally walk right out of the park here. Walk down the ramp here. And we got the train going downtown. Uh-oh. Looks like the compass card's up, baby. And that's why I brought change with me. Let's hope I have enough. Single ticket. Adult $8.50. I just want to go 2 stops. $8.50 for 2 stops? $8.15 to ride 2 stops. What the? So $8 and using debit cards, so there's probably another $3 or $4 charge for your debit. It says it's supposed to be free with the ticket, but Ain't nothing no free on machines, bro. Ain't nothing no free. We're gonna go down a couple stops, get away from all the people, sit by ourselves. I don't know, it's one thing that the YouTubers do, and I got to commend them, is they keep their cool all the time. You know, I get agitated and mad and pissed off, and something you have to definitely worry about losing face and time. How to keep filming when things aren't necessarily going your way, right? So.
This train is for Waterfront.
Starting to feel the lag, man. Final project, putting in all those extra hours, working my body hard. Extra hours on top of that. Then we have finals for the 2-year diploma. Of course, our last test was law, broadcast law, so that was fun. Still not worth the $8. Ugh. I'm so thirsty. Air on the airplanes just sucked all the water out of me. That was my visit home. Alright, so like I said, I gotta check the compass to see where I'm going, but I'm pretty sure I'm headed in the right direction. So the map says we're walking down here about 4 or 5 blocks, 6 blocks, and then into the little neighborhood. It's a little dark, it's a little rainy. I don't technically know where I'm going. There's no parking up there. I think I parked down here. That should be me under the tree right there, I think. Oh yeah, looks like a Beamer from here. So, kind of happy about that. The car's here. Doesn't look like it was broken into. It was towed for any unknown reason. This is just a regular residential neighborhood, so technically it shouldn't. It could get broken into, but it's a nice residential area, so that's why I chose it. Gonna get in the car, drive up to the ferry. There's no point in recording anything because you can't see. All right, so we'll catch up with you probably tomorrow morning at the ferry. See you on the other side.